hybrid starts too much longer. Find out now, all 4 engines running. Now bring it back to the staging lanes and turn it around and push it back for our staging direction. Gets out of the way, but here is the result. Buick Wagonmaster of TV Tommy Ivo. He made it to 50 years old. He traveled to the wall of China. He stood up the wall of China. He said, "Head right now, get me out of the service." He's now 60 years old. He proves that all those big cars for all those years couldn't get the best of him. He's an IRC to make his first of 2 final rounds. The lights will be. The train is down. Tommy Ivo races to the 8 mile under power. He lied to us. He lied to us. He said he was only going to drive it in 1/8 of a job done. I think we're in a big round of applause. To remind everybody, though, that we indeed have a complete closed session. Let's get down here and get the track. Final roll, station lane, flatheads and inlines, flatheads, inlines. Top fuel, we need you too. Top fuel to the staging lane, please. Top fuel, A-gas, and flatheads and inlines. Need all of you to the lane. Back up to the far end. There's TV Tommy Ivo, engine on day. 4 inches